How to transfer eFootball mobile account to PC. So if you want to transfer eFootball mobile account to your PC, then first you just need to simply create your Konami ID. So go with the Konami website, go with the official website, and here you need to go with register, and you need to create an account on Konami. After that, you need to open up your mobile, open the eFootball app on your mobile device, and go to My Club section. Under My Club section, you need to tap on link Konami ID and scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. And on your PC, you need to open up your eFootball game and go to your settings. After you're under the settings of eFootball, you need to go with online settings and then click on link Konami ID. Once you click on link Konami ID, you need to scan the QR code with your mobile device and log into your Konami ID. Once linked, your eFootball coins will be shared across both platforms. However, other items like players and coins will remain separate. So that's how you can transfer your eFootball mobile account to your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.